Hey, Bill Boston here to tell you about the Kalamazoo Boat Show. So Kalamazoo Boat Show is up at the Kalamazoo County Expo Center January 9th, 10th, and 11th. A few things I like about this show. Number one, it's a smaller show, so less traffic, less people, easy parking, like get in, get out, but be able to see a lot of different things. Number two, it's got a lot of different fiberglass wake boats represented. It's got a lot of pontoons represented. So if you're looking to decide between a tri-toon or a fiberglass wake boat, it's a great place to go and pick and figure those things out. And then last, it's one of the first of the Midwest shows. So if you are thinking about putting in a custom order, picking your colors, picking your options, and get a boat into the queue, it's a great way to get ahead of the curve. You're going to beat out the people from Milwaukee, you're going to beat the people from Chicago, and you're going to get in front of the line there. So I like Kalamazoo. It's a great place to go and get a jump start on your summer 2026. I'll be there the 10th and the 11th. If you want to schedule an appointment, give me a call. See you there.